dito, no, Taurus, sex with you, no? So, ito yung, tignan natin, what else? So, yeah, kaya pala, no? So, meron dito, no? It's your fault, no? I cheated on you. So, meron palang nag-cheat rito, no? Taurus. So, what else? So, I'm not attracted, no? So, meron dito, no? Taurus, no? So, again, take what's resonate, no? Mga Taurus natin. So, ang nakikita ko rito, no? There is a separation, no? With the person you are dealing with, no? So, yeah, no? Meron na ditong na fall out of love na because of cheating, no? So, because someone is, cheating, and then, yeah, maybe this person is, kung sino lang makaka-relate, no, again, and maybe ikaw to, Taurus, or ang person mo, no, kung sino man tong nasa isip mo right now. So, kung sino dito yung nag-cheat, no, so, siya yung more on, yeah, sabihin natin more on sex, no, so, siya yung mahilig dito, no, that's why, no. So, kahit nasa parang, kahit in separation na kayo right now, no, so, I think this person is still into you, no, so, because pinafantasize ko pa rin niya, no, or vice versa again, no, so, yeah, kahit na in separation pa rin is still, no, kasi nga, I think this person is really into, into, into sex, no, so, ganun yung hilig nitong tao na ito, no, mga Taurus, no, so, that's why, nagkaroon ng separation, and because the other person is na-fall out of love na, no? So, because of the cheating and betrayal na nangyari, right? No? So, yung person na nag-decide is the one na hindi na attracted. So, nawala yung kanyang passion and of course, the love na siguro with the person na nag-cheat, no? So, talagang nagkaroon ng ending, no, sa inyo, no, mga Taurus, no. So yan, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Wala nang attraction sa inyong or maybe dun nga sa person na niloko, no. So take what's resonate, no, kung saan kang side makaka-resonate, mga Taurus, no, because yeah, someone is cheated, no, and yeah, and the other person is na-fall out of love na, no. So, ayun yung nangyari sa inyo. So, yeah. So, tignan naman natin, Taurus, no, what's the advice or message for you ng iyong inner self, no, mga Taurus natin.